This is how I made $462 today. So first off, we were just bullish on the day. Come here and look on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, which is where I usually look for my bias. What you can see here is that we're disrespecting bearish PDRAs like this right here. Fair value gap right there, fair value gap right there. We went right through it. And we had a bit of a retrace, but that's expected when we get overextended like this. And we just took this high, and it's expected that digging into this, we're going to come down a little bit. So that's what we do, and we open up a 4 hour gap right here. So getting on in the morning, I wanted to see how that would close and how the how price would react off of this balanced price range where the inversion happened, coming down from the retrace. Aside from on ES, and just the way that we were moving up and respecting PDRAs just overall gave me a very, very, very bullish sentiment and bullish idea for the day. Then I came down onto the 15-minute just to see what gaps we can possibly retrace to pre-market, just seeing, because obviously if I'm looking to go up, I want to find a point that we want to come down to before we go up. NQ was making higher highs and higher lows. ES was making lower lows and lower highs. So I kind of wanted to wait for us to break out of that. And we did right here, making this huge SMT, taking out these lows right here, which were actually pre-market lows and London session lows. Off of that, we get some interior SMT, which is exactly what we need to start looking to enter our long. And we got that right here. You can see it best on the 30-second. Interior SMT, that's what ISMT stands for. And this is that 15-minute fair value gap that I marked out that I wanted to get hit. And it's a condition, so it's not like I hit it and then I'm ready to take a long. I hit it, I watch how it reacts, I see how the candles close, I see how the 5-minute candle closes, and then I'm watching and I see my interior SMT. I'm ready to enter on the first 30-second or 1 minute inverse fair value gap. And what did we get? It was a 1 minute, so you would enter right here. Got a little bit of drawdown, but then we kind of just shot right up. And my original entry was like right here, so that's why it says 2R right there. And I decided to just take my profits at this high, so I set my TP right there. And yeah, that was that. I would have made around $1,000 if I didn't take this trade on half size. And the reason that I took it on half size is because this wasn't my first trade today. I took this trade right here off of this 1 minute gap, and I risked pretty heavy on it, but broke even, which is no big deal. Came up to here, and I decided that I wanted to be break even right here. So he came down and perfectly stopped me out, and my trade would have hit because I think I had it around 1.5, but it was just the risk that I wasn't willing to take after we inversed and came back down. I decided I'm fine with break even. Another setup could come, and this wasn't a great setup anyways, so I was ready to look for something else. But normally I don't trade 2 times a day, so that's why I de-risked the second trade. And kind of kicking myself in the butt for it, but it's not that big of a deal. Anything is better than a losing day. Break even, including break even. So yeah, that's it. That's the 2 trades that I took for today. This was my win, and this was my break even. The Discord, the free Discord, is going to be tagged in the comment section, and it's in my YouTube bio, so feel free to join that. We don't do any like crazy mentoring in there or anything, but it's completely free, and we do have valuable information in there, and I want to get it more active, so definitely feel free to join.